Hi everyone, ever had your daily quest not reset on time? Don't worry, I have got a super easy fix for you. In here, sometimes you check your daily quest and it's time for reset, but the quest just doesn't change. Like that now it happened to me too, like this. So to fix it, just first step, just leave your current server. Don't panic, this is normal, just leave this server. Like this. And then next, just join a private server. Just tap on connections and then join connections. And then just join a private server. If you don't have one yet, you can create it or join a friend's private server. And then don't worry, the first private server in Visit is free. And next, once you inside the private server, just check your daily quest like this and see it's successfully reset. And then even when you go back to the global server, your request is update. So every time the resets come, just hop into the private server to refresh it. And easy, right? And okay, that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.